This morning we are at Blair's Nursery and Gifts. It is on Dawes Road in Mobile, and it's a place that I have passed by many times, thought how cute it was mad at myself that I didn't know it existed. I don't even know how long this place has been here. You guys who live out here probably know. But I decided that I wanted to stop by and take a tour and see what it was like. And as we pulled into the parking lot, I already saw stuff that I was like, ooh, I want that. So I'm excited to show you guys what they have here. It's just this really super cute place. I see the little gazebo back there. There's like an umbrella with some table and chairs. So, all right, get ready to check it out with me. Okay, you ready to go?
I'm ready.
I don't know which way to go. There's so much stuff. I'm gonna go directly to the thing that I saw when we first drove in and may want to purchase for my house. Oh, what is this? Black Mondo grass? What the heck? Ooh, what situation might we need this for? I'm like filing all this away in my head to know what's available. That's the fun thing about visiting nurseries for me, is that in a nursery like this, I can see a lot of what's available all at one time, rather than a wholesale nursery where there's like big chunks of one thing. Blair said she gets all of this stuff locally. She buys it locally, so I know that if I see it here, I can get it wholesale. Or, yeah, I don't know, I like this grown locally too. All right, let's go. Ooh, a Juga? What is this? A Juga chocolate chip. It's pretty. She's got some pretty crazy stuff that I've never, okay, here's what I came here for, the olive tree. These are so lovely. What kind of olives? Arbequina olive. I also like that she tells you about all the things so you can read about them. No pollination problems. Okay, they actually have green olives on them. I think these would look really good around my pool. Like really good around my pool. They've got that pretty soft, like sagey green color that I love so much. Okay, I'm gonna keep thinking about these as we go around. Ooh, look at all these Limelight Hydrangea tree forms. Okay, we can't get too close. Look at all the bees, how much they love them. Look how pretty these are. Okay, is there bees about my head everywhere? I feel like I'm gonna get stung. They're not bees. I don't think they're bees. They're flies. Nope, some are bees. These are really pretty. There's all kinds of crazy stuff I've never seen before. Look at all the pretty hydrangeas. Ooh, I just spec'd these in somebody's yard the other day. Variegated hydrangea. Very, very pretty. This kind of gives you a different color option for leaves than the rest of the hydrangeas. Everything else is green, so this gives like that little white tip that's pretty. Okay, we need to go visit the gazebo because this is super cute. Okay, got all my drift roses. I spec drift roses all the time. They've got tons of different colors, and look how much they're blooming. Like you can just see like this massive color, which is really nice. And they bloom the entire summer. All right, let's go check out this shady situation here. Indoor plants are 25% off. They've got fiddly figs, pitcher plants. Oh, my favorite, which is the staghorn fern. Look how big that is for 20 bucks and then 25% off. Somebody do the math on that. What is that? 25% off, that's for $5 off? So it's $15. I hope did I do that math right? I don't know. I love a bird's nest fern, which is what this is. That's super pretty. I love all the like visual texture it gives with its little, that is super pretty. With its fronds. There's a bottle brush tree form, bottle brush, we'll call it that, which are really cool. Some butterfly bushes. Philodendron. Ooh, my Cryptomeria. I love a Cryptomeria. And these are super cute. These are I think these are the dwarf, which is, I think they're like, they're called Nana globosa. That's the scientific. But I like these because they're a good evergreen and they have kind of like, they stay compact and they stay round. And so they're a good alternative for a boxwood if you don't love a boxwood, but you want something that keeps some form. These are a really good alternative for that. Let's see what else. We're getting into the tree area, which, you know, I don't get as excited about trees. Ooh, hydrangea trees, as I do a lot of other stuff. But they have a little bit of everything here, which is amazing. I think this is the kind of place with like the structures and the arbors and the different things you could spend like several hours out here just poking around and seeing everything they have. I wonder if they have Japanese maples. That would get me excited if they had Japanese maples. But I do see cypresses and red buds and tulip trees, which is neat. You don't see those a lot in retail nurseries. I see standard magnolias, southern magnolias, and little gem magnolias. But they do have some Japanese maples. Super cute. They got these. This is like a weeping, is this a weeping Japanese maple? A crimson queen. Oh gosh, I'm so unfamiliar with all the different kinds. But that's neat that they have them. They have a bunch of them, a whole section. And then there's a blood, oh, they got even more over here. These are the bigger Japanese maples. Like this looks like a blood good. Yeah, this is a blood good. Crazy thing, there's kind of from what I've been told, there's kind of a shortage of Japanese maples right now. They all come from the West Coast, and there were some issues at some point. Maybe they've come back, but they're super slow growing trees. So if a crop kind of gets wiped out in 1 year, it really holds everything back for a pretty significant period of time, which is why the prices go up. If you see that Japanese maples are a little pricier, that's why. Oh, I like these. This is like a lace leaf Japanese maple. Pretty. And just look at this view. Like, it's so pretty with the Limelight hydrangea and the, I think this is like a mimosa, but like a red leaf. I don't know what that is, but like the view is so pretty with all the colors and textures. Let me see what this is. It is a mimosa tree. Summer chocolate. I've never seen this before. It's really pretty. So yeah, overall, really good job. Good job, Blair. This is a beautiful place. So if you guys ever need any kind of, like any plant material, she told me she can get it if she doesn't have it. But I mean, like I have not noticed anything missing from my normal selection of plants that I would design for somebody's yard. She's got a ton of stuff. So you guys come out and check it out. She's on Dawes Road in Mobile. Okay, I'm gonna go buy some things now. Guys, we are wrapping up our little field trip to Blair's, and you know, as a mom of 4 who had them all at home during the summer, every summer for years, this would be a perfect place, if I'd known about it, to bring them and let them just walk around, check out all the plants. There's like tiny little buggies inside for them to push around in the gift shop. It's super cute. Thank you so much to Blair for letting us come by and check out your spot. You guys go check it out too. Want some Diva.